Hey y'all, welcome back to Keeping Up with Wet Gems Lingerie.
Yeah.
We are in week three, y'all. Week three. We made it. Okay, week two was a little bit of a struggle because we were having some difficulty shipping out orders. But I must say, this week when I was shipping out orders, things went a lot smoother. Now, this week is a really, really important week, guys, because coming up is Black Friday. So, this is a very, very important day for any small business, anybody that is selling anything, because people are actively looking to spend money that day. So they're looking for the best deal. So you definitely want to make sure that this week you are posting like never before. You need to do that because people are looking to spend money. Even if you do something like 10% off, you know, or buy one, get one, 35% off. You want to get some type of an angle and you want to send out emails. So, now I'm going to go ahead and show y'all my first email that I sent out. It's a little rough, you know, it's my first one. I was super excited. But now I've been practicing. I got a few drafts worked out. I'm blasting out my emails starting Monday morning. I want people to know, hey, myself, I'm going to actually start it at 5 o'clock on Thanksgiving. And I want people to know that. I want you to know that Monday to, like, you need to know this is the day to go ahead and get these products. Now, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on also how to make a website really, really quickly if you are a smaller business and you don't have a website just yet, but you're looking to do it. I'm going to show you how I do it on my cell phone. Okay, guys, so of course you want to go to your App Store, your Play Store, download the Shopify app, and then you want to go ahead and I recommend you use your business email so that you can keep track of your orders, any type of emails that customers send to you from Shopify will go right to that email. So you definitely don't want to get it mixed up with your personal email to where you may miss anything. So, of course, now you want to do your store name. And this address part, this is also going to be shown on your shipping label. So, just keep that in mind. Use your business address. Now, the reason I love Shopify so much is because as soon as you go on there, it lays out for you exactly what you need to do. It shows you videos step by step on what you need to do at the top. So, of course, they're saying everything about your website is your product. So, you want to do that, then you want to actually go ahead and go through these other steps that you see here, and that's when you pretty much know you're good to go. Now, adding your product is pretty much the main thing you have to do. And I'm going to show you in a minute why I say that because they give you the layout for your website and everything else. Now, you see here, I'm trying to show you the actual process of adding a product because you want to make sure that you get, of course, your title, add your product, whatever name you want it to be, your price, what it cost you so that you know exactly how much you're making from that product. And this is also at the bottom where you want to add your different sizes so that customers are able to add, different sizes. You're also able to do different colors, different styles. You can do everything for one product right there. So it's very important that we add a description because when you start to add your products on Facebook and Instagram, it won't let you display it without showing a description or just, telling your customers exactly what it is. But you quickly saw there, it checked it off. So now what we're doing is we're actually going to our website to actually see the themes that we actually want. Now, I'm actually just going to go with the one that is given at first. And really, when y'all see the layout, your favorite stores, Amazon, Fashion Nova, they're all using this very simple layout. Now, I'm showing you below where you're able to add different text. Of course, you can add, you want to add your own pictures, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be using the ones they have on the actual app. Now, that link part, this is where you can actually link your Instagram page so that if anybody hovers over a picture, it goes right to your Instagram page. Or you can add a product to where as soon as they click on the picture that you just added right there, they can go right to the product that is their cart. It's a very easy process. You saw how it's pretty much laid out step by step by step. Now, right now, what I'm doing is I'm actually just showing you guys how you add your text on top of your picture. Now, you saw as soon as you clicked on the picture and you scroll down, that's where you're able to actually see the options below it, where you can write over it, you can take the text away, you can play with it, you can put discount codes right there at the very top, which is what I did to kind of let that be the first thing your customer sees. And now I'm just showing you the actual layout. Now let's keep in mind our goal is to actually get this set up for Black Friday. So I'm actually going with the layout that they actually have. It's a really good layout. It's what I use currently and I love it because it's simple, easy, right to the point. Not all that extra, stuff to go through. You see the products. So in a moment, I'm going to go over how you're able to send out emails to your actual customers. You do have to add an attachment. I'm going to do a more detailed video next week on how to do that. But when you go ahead and click on your marketing emails, you can actually see how many people clicked on it, how much money you made from it. Pretty much if anybody unsubscribed to it. It's really, really cool. And when you download the actual attachment, I don't know the exact number, but they give you so many emails that you can send out before you even have to pay for them. I think I'm going to be using that free part for a while. So I'm not even sure how much it costs. But I love the fact that I saw when I sent out my emails that I actually made revenue from that. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and show you the orders. So we don't have any just yet, but this is where you will go to actually see your orders. You can create orders if you just kind of do like a drop off and you want to keep track of how much money you made. For tax purposes, you can do that there. Now, the last thing we have to do is go ahead and add your payment. That part is really easy as well. It's also really, really laid out for you, so you can pretty much do whatever you want to do as far as PayPal, credit card, just whatever's best. Now, after you add your payment, you're done. All you have to do is go live. They have it where you can say activate website and you are good to go. Shipping is the easiest part because they lay out everything for you. You don't do anything at all. Alrighty, so to go ahead and wrap this up. Now we talked about getting ready for Black Friday. I showed you how to build a website in like 10 minutes so that you can get your products out there. So now it's time to go ahead and I'm gonna let y'all know some of my deals I have coming up. You know, this upcoming Thursday because y'all I'm geeked. So I remember I told y'all last week that I was really, really struggling with, getting underwear on my site. Like, I have a lot of good pieces. Like, I'm even wearing one of my pieces right now. I'm going to show y'all right here, a full piece. And I'm also wearing my little waist trainer. These both, coincidentally, both of these are my top seller. So, look, I love both of these. So, these are my favorite. Now, I'm doing a 5 for 25 underwear sale because Victoria's Secret who? No, I'm coming crazy with the underwear and I got so many cute underwear dropping. I'm like super stoked, super excited. And also I'm doing buy one, get one 50% off, on my actual teddies and bra sets. So it's going crazy. And I'm allowing for one day only to stack promotions. So like since I'm a newer website, I still have, like my first order, you get 15% off on there. I may end up doing some other just random hours like 50% off. I'm doing flash sales. So If y'all not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and check me out on Instagram at What Gems Lingerie. Go ahead and follow. Let me know what you think. I'm also going to be dropping my flash deals on there. So if you're looking to actually, see how I'm marketing and appealing to my customers, or even if you're trying to catch your sales, sis, go ahead and follow. And I'll catch y'all next week. Bye.